Hello everyone, I Dhriti wish you all a very happy Engineers Day. I am a part of one of the least known branch of engineering, that is, the aircraft maintenance engineering. The fact that despite being a part of such a glamorous industry that is the aviation industry, only the forefront professionals like the pilot and cabin crews are known by the layman. So, it is time to highlight certain facts and figures about the aircraft maintenance engineers. They are the reason behind every single flight which is fit to fly. Their profound knowledge, unbeatable skills, relentless effort, and unmatchable competencies make the aircraft fly safely high even at a height of 31,000 feet or so. Let us decode what an aircraft maintenance engineer actually does. After landing of the aircraft, engineer ensures proper docking of the aircraft to the allocated bay through standard marshalling, followed by establishing an intercommunication with the pilot to know the overall status of the aircraft. Accordingly, further course of actions is to be followed. Doing an overall visual transit inspection through walk around of the aircraft engines, airframe including wheels and brakes inspection to ensure proper configuration and condition. Doing the refilling of the aircraft is yet another crucial task done by the AME. Then to get the detailed status of the vital systems from the cockpit and making sure that all the systems are normal, followed by taking the cabin status as well. After ensuring that the aircraft is fully fit to fly, the AME certifies the aircraft. During departure, the AME is in continuous contact with the pilot for the pushback instruction and also gives the engine clearance to the pilot. After disconnecting the headset, the AMEs show the thumbs up to the pilot stating that they are fit to fly to the next destination. During night shift, unlike the transit flights, the major part of the tasks are performed by the AMEs. It comprises both scheduled and unscheduled tasks. The troubleshooting of the systems and components carried out as planned. The nights, full of intense work and very skilled hands of the aircraft maintenance engineers, make the aircraft fully ready for the next day. So, a gentle reminder to you, next time when you board a flight and after pushback if you see someone giving a thumbs up signal, recognize that person to be the aircraft maintenance engineer. Thank you.